Okay, so I'm still trying to find the duration or something. So here we've got an event that starts at 8:12 a.m. and it finishes at 8:47 a.m. Okay, so because it's a.m., we know it's in the morning, don't we? So it wouldn't be someone having dinner at 8:12 a.m., would it? It's more likely for someone to have breakfast at 8:12 a.m. Okay, so we're going to work out this duration. So again, I've got my number line here and I've got my clock here, so I can show you on both. So remember, each of these longer lines show you where the 10-minute section is, okay, and the smaller lines are your 5. So that'd be 8, 8, 5, 8, 10. So in between here, just in case you want to do it, I would put 4 small ones that are each worth a minute, okay? They're going to be small. So that would be 8 o'clock, look, 8:01, 8:02, 8:03, 8:04, 8:05, 8:06, 8:07, 8:08, 8:09, 8:10. So if you're doing it, you only need to put 4 small ones in each side. Okay, and I'm going to show you on this one because this is where we're using again. So this one's 8:10, 8:11, 8:12, 8:13, 8:14, 8:15, 8:16, 8:17, 8:19. Oh, sorry, 15, 16, 17, 18, 8:19, and then that's 8:20. Okay, so we're starting at 8:12. So we found 8:10, which is here. 8:12, 1, 2. That's going to be our starting point, isn't it? Okay, remember, we're going to do some jumps, but we're going to do some small jumps first. We're going to get us to a nice round number. So we're going to go from here, and we're going to do a +2 jump, 1, 2, +2. Oh, sorry, +3 jumps, 1, 2, 3, +3 to get us to 8:15. Okay, but I would like to get us to 8:20, so I'm going to do another one here, which is a +5 jump. And now we're going to go as far as we can, so 8:47. So we can't go to 8:50. It's too much. We're going to do 2 big jumps to 8:40. So we're going to do the first one here as +10. Next one as +10. And then you have to break it down again and go slightly smaller. So I can go to 8:45. So I'm going to do a +5 jump there. And then I'm going to 8:47. So I'm going to put in my smaller ones here. 8:46, 8:47, 8:48, 8:49. So from 8:45, I'm going to jump on 2, 1, 2, +2. And now I'm going to start counting. So remember, I always start my biggest numbers. So 10 plus 10 equals, I hope you're shouting at me, 20. Okay, then I'm going to do my +5 equals 25. And then I've got my +3, 28. And then I've got my +2. Is 30 my answer? I'm hoping some of you might have spotted a mistake that I made when I was doing that. Okay, but if you didn't spot it, don't worry, because I was doing it quite quickly. Remember, when you're doing this, I always ask you to tick them off so you make sure you haven't missed any, because I've actually missed one of my numbers here. So I'm going to start again. So I'm going to start with my 2 10s first, because they're definitely my 2 biggest ones. So 10 plus 10, and then I tick off my 10s. I've done them, is 20. Next, +5. I can tick that off, but hold on again. I've got another +5 here. Okay, so I'd missed one of these out before. When there's 2 of them, it's quite easy to miss one out. So let's do +5 and +5. So 20 plus 5 is 25, +5, 30. I've done both of my 5s now, so they should both be ticked off. So now I haven't missed anything out. Plus my 3, 33. So tick off my 3, and then I can go to my +2. Okay, so that would be your answer. My duration of having breakfast was 35, and don't forget again, minutes. You need to say your time, what it was, minutes, okay? If I wanted to use a clock, I could put my minute hand. So again, that's 10, isn't it? 11, 12, 13, 14, that would be 15. So here's my 12. That would be my start point. And I'd go to 8:47. So there's my 40, 45, 46, 47. So I'd count on. That's my +3 to take me to 5, and then that's +5. Okay, and then I'm going to do my 10-minute jumps. So that one's +10, that one's +10, and then that one is +5 and +2. So we're going to do it now. We've seen it here. So that's 3 minutes, 8, 18, 28, 32, 33, sorry, 35.